Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG Nasaki. Ndiri murume animakore 47 years old. I have 4 kids, 3 boys and 1 girl. 3 are married, including Muskana, second born yangu. So I have a problem with my daughter. She goes to a church ya prophet vake and has lost herself muchitendero. Ini, I don't go to church hangu, but I have since realized that prophet vanenge vakatokosha kupfura ini. I say this because when my daughter got married, we had to wait for 3 hours for her man of God to arrive so that he can bless the event and join us for the deliberations in Maroro. I argued with my daughter kuti nyaya dzemaroro hadzina chekuita na man of God vako, and she insisted we needed his support and spiritual guidance in making decisions. Hanzi maroro anosimudzwa mepo. So after the event, she asked me to give him $200 from Marie Maroro to say thank you. My daughter has been married for 2 years now, and it's unfortunate that she's in an abusive relationship. Anonyimwa mari yechikafu nekurowa. Apa akasiyiswa basa murume achiti handina mwana anorerwa namaid. She has come to me 3 times arowa, and I told her kuti asiye murume uyu auye kumba. Maita kunge mawirirana, unozonzwa akuti tazogadzirisana. I really tried to figure out chaita mwana wangu agare in such an abusive relationship nekudzidza kwaakaita. She's my vulnerable child. She got affected the most when her mother died, and I tried to protect her, but zvakangooma. So her brother told me Prophet ndivo vanomuti pray for your marriage and discourages her to divorce. 3 months ago, my daughter akarohwa nemurume, and she came home akazvimba. Achipedza kutaura nyaya yake, ndakamuti handei kwaProphet. I got there vakatotandara ne his 2 teenage daughters, and I left him, my daughter, and told him to take care of her amuendese kuchipatara. The wife begged me not to leave her, but I was fed up with this man of God, encouraging mwana wangu kuti arowe all in the name of God hates divorce. After I had calmed down, 3 days later, I looked for my daughter, and I couldn't get a hold of her. I checked with her brothers if she is still using the same number, and they confirmed that she is. She blocked me and does not want anything to do with me. I have been to church twice, hoping to get her attention, but she refuses to talk to me. I miss my daughter and grandchild. Maybe I was a little bit harsh dumping her qua Prophet when she was beaten down, but how else was I to get her attention? Vedare, was I wrong? How can I fix my relationship with my daughter when she has chosen her spiritual father over me? Your hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Well, thank you so much, Saki, for our hot topic for today. I can see the messages are coming in fast and furious on our WhatsApp platform, and let me just maybe put out a disclaimer to say ngasi sefe mashoko edu nae mamashoko akutaurwa akanangana nemaprofita andiwo atiri kutarisira kuti pamuchazofona munge muchitaura, so you can just try and be kind, in your contributions. 0772162651. Feel free to call in. That is the situation. Baba vanenge va sisina ukama ne mwana wavo nekuda kwa Prophet. Zvinofambiswa sei pakadai, how can he try and maybe regain trust yemwana wavo after everything that has happened? Shure mekunge taverengerwa naSaki takunzwisisa exactly what happened there. Messages are coming in. I will read out a few before we open up our phone lines. This one says, firstly, guys, religion is a prison. No one can ever exit. Mawan, I feel sorry for this young lady. Another one also coming in says, makagona kumsira mwana nekuti maprofita mazhinji kurasa chitendero vachida mari. We don't know kuti vanenge vari kupiwa mari here panhau iyi kana kuti vari kungomira nechokwadi chavo chekuti vasakurudzire divorce. This one says, men of God very wrong. Ngavarege munhu aite life yake. It's coming from DVG. Hello, Star FM. Star FM, hello. Hi. Aiwa, taswira zvakanaka.
Nayo Prophet inondibata inonditinya. Most like especially kumadzimai uko. Madzimai tikange maprofita wamwari. Mona mukadzi aitongopfugamira profeti asi kumba handipfugamiri uko. Saka ina kumudhara ndovashori ndaramo. Munhu wamwari afuna kukurudzira vanhu zvakasvino chaizvo chaizvo kwete kukurudzira vanhu kuti zvakaizvi zvisina kunaka. Saka inenge pasina muprofita pasi navo.
Baba vanoita sei? Hey, yeah, I think zvinenge zvine ka background. Matauriro avaita kuti zvinenge zvinovabata zvinenge zviri kubva.
My question though,
munhu akambosangana nazvo, yeah.
when it comes also to this is, munhu ari kuita, the one who is stuck on the prophet is the child for her reasons.
Yeah.
And I know a lot of us are very angry at the prophet for what he believes in and what he stands for. But also remember, this lady, she's an adult who's making a decision as well.
Yeah.
Making a decision to follow this prophet through ups and downs. And I believe, for me, I think as the followers, we also have to be the wise ones. Because at the end of the day, we can say prophet, 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 but anofollowa, anoramba achiteerera prophet kuti it's us.
Yeah, and I believe ivo prophet wofuti vanofanawo kuziva pavanogumira.
Right.
Because nyangwe pataudzwa kunzi vakatonzi uyai mublese maroro motopinda mumadeliberations emhuri nekuti that's my spiritual father. Pane paunofanira kuona kuti aiwa, but this is a family affair.
Yes.
I don't think kuti yes, as much I can come and bless ndoenda zvangu kana kuti ndogara parutivi kwete kuti mumadeliberations unenge uriko, because zviri kunzi pane spiritual guidance iri kudiwa. And I believe kuti uzoita confidence yekutaura zvinhu zvakadaro saki, maybe it's something that has been planted in your head.
That's what I'm saying. Kuti izvonzo, you can't have the right to say that unless there's a door that's opened, and the door has been opened through this daughter. Because remember, mwana uyu akatomisa vanhu. Akamisa kuti we're not going ahead if this man of God asatauya. And you know, just listening to the hot topic, I would love to also believe maybe this guy is also from the church.